Step inside a home where every room feels like a slow, sun-washed breath of spring, where warmth, simplicity, and farmhouse grace come together in one soulful, grounded space. Stepping into the entrance hall feels like being wrapped in a soft, familiar hug. The wide plank oak floor glows under gentle spring light, and the walls, in creamy shiplap, feel calm and inviting. The console table under the window holds a simple basket of greenery, its colors whispering promise and renewal. You can almost feel the coolness of the wood beneath bare feet and the quiet hum of a home that knows how to breathe. The living room wraps you in comfort like a well-worn blanket, its soft grayish walls glowing with delicate daylight that drifts through tall windows. The stone fireplace anchors the space, not with fire, but with stillness and memory, while the linen sofa invites you to linger. The sunlight spills across the rug, warming the wood and the air, turning the room into a quiet sanctuary where time slows and the world outside fades. The family room feels like the heart of the house, where the light is always just right, soft and golden, slipping through sheer curtains and landing on the woven textures of the rug and cushions. A sectional in warm ivory cradles anyone who sits, while the stacked books and ceramic jars speak of lived-in calm. The air tastes of dust motes and comfort, and the room hums with the gentle promise of shared stories and lazy afternoons spent simply being together. The kitchen breathes like it's alive, its wide plank oak floor warmed by morning sun that spills over the farmhouse sink and the herb garden beyond. The creamy cabinets and stone countertops feel solid and honest, like old friends who've seen every season. The air hangs with the memory of baked bread and brewed coffee as light catches the grain of the wood, inviting you to linger, stir, and savor, not just cook, but live fully in this sun-drenched room. The breakfast nook feels like your private morning ritual, where sunlight spills across the table like honey and glints off the simple ceramic vase at the center. The wooden chairs feel sturdy and familiar beneath you, and the woven bench along the wall invites you to curl up with a book or a cup of tea. The soft light slips over the linen cushions and the oak floor, wrapping the space in quiet warmth, like a promise that every day here will begin with gentleness and calm. The dining room feels grand yet intimate, as if it's holding its breath in anticipation of laughter and shared meals. Natural daylight falls softly over the farmhouse table and the vintage chairs, warming the wood and turning the space into a quiet stage for stories. The sideboard holds pieces that feel like heirlooms, and the air hums with the memory of candlelight and clinking glasses, even though the room is lit only by the gentle, honest glow of the spring sky. The home office feels like a quiet promise of calm focus, where the desk faces the window like a portal to a slower, softer world. The bookshelf's simple wooden cubbies hold objects that feel cherished, not cluttered, and the linen chair invites you to sink in and stay a while. The light slides across the oak floor and the shiplap walls, turning the space into a retreat where thoughts can unfold slowly, without rush, without noise, just the quiet hum of being present. The reading room feels like a secret haven, tucked away from the rest of the world, where the armchair seems molded to your shape and the side table patiently holds your book and a cooling cup of tea. The bookshelf built under the window cradles stories that feel like old friends, and the greenery in the vase adds a soft whisper of life. The light filters in gently, bathing everything in a warm, hazy glow that makes time feel unimportant, like hours could slip by unnoticed.